Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Vermont Wildlife Science Station. Can you hear that? It's the most blissful sound of rain I've ever heard. Not like a storm, but like relaxing. And the birds don't even give a rip. Isn't that one of the most relaxing things to wake up to? Beautiful, gently pouring rain. Can't deny that. We'll be right back with more videos today from Vermont Wildlife Science Station. We'll do an update on the babies. Maybe we'll have some fun. And maybe we'll listen to some of the birds out in the rain. Have a good morning, guys. See you right here next time at Vermont Wildlife Science Station.